to the show. Come take a seat. A show and tell adventure, at least once a week. From yard sales to thrift stores and auctions we scramble, buying strange and unusual objects. Sometimes it's a gamble. Show and tell. Come take a ride through the mysteries of strange and peculiar finds. There's lots of new stories about fine treasure. There's really no better way to practice leisure. Practice leisure. Practice leisure.
Anyone collect ViewMasters? Got a bunch of ViewMaster packets. Some are shrink wrapped, some are not. Dark Shadows, King Kong with a sticker on his face. There's Bonanza. These are all classic TV. It's probably kind of cool. Where's the playing on? That's a tougher one, I think. Here's all the shrink wrap ones.
I have multiple collections of these around the house. This is unstable. Hold on. Put it right here. I got more room in here.
I never did see this movie as a kid. I saw the original Escape from Witch Mountain. I loved this show when I was a kid. Lactate ringer stat or something. That was the quote. I think that was 1 Adam 12. Yeah. Classic. It's the first appearance of Michael McKean from Spinal. Up for me, at least. Happy Days was pretty much, I guess, like, I don't know what would be the equivalent of that these days. Hard to really say because there's so many networks now. Up your nose with a rubber hose. This brought John Travolta into public spotlight for the first time. And yep, Lee Majors. I think Lee Majors had a cigarette ad before $6 Million Man. Maybe something else. Crinkling was so bad here I muted it. There's a little box of glass slides from pre-war. Check out the copyright information at the top here. Head projectors, those real old ones. So this might be pretty old.
It works just like a telephone switchboard.